Your money goal is a vacation, then you will only ever get a vacation. If your money goal is financial independence, then you will have opportunities far greater than vacation, like traveling for an extended period of time, or transitioning to a new career with financial security, peace of mind, or going to part-time or becoming a stay-at-home parent. I've done all these things since pursuing financial independence. Focusing on only saving for vacation or short-term money goals does not set you up for long-term financial success and security like financial independence will. How Danielle and I prioritize financial independence: we pay ourselves first. We automate our savings out of our paycheck. We don't even see that income. It goes straight into our savings accounts, retirement accounts, investment accounts. Those accounts are locked down. We do not drip from those accounts to try to go and fund other things. We keep those focused and invested for our financial independence and for our financial security. We have focused on our mindset about money, about what we want to do with our money. We don't just consume every dollar that comes in from our paycheck. We use that money to help produce more income, either through funding side hustles or our own personal business ventures, or putting it into our investment, which grows in interest and dividends. We know that every purchase that we make is a trade-off from that financial independence opportunities that we are looking for. So if we're going online and shopping on Amazon or going to Target and buying items that ultimately do not add to that ultimate goal, they don't add value to our lives, then we don't buy it.